Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to resize your design on Canva. Actually, the feature there is a resize and magic switch automatically if you are subscribed to Pro of Canva. I suggest you subscribe to Canva Pro since it's really helpful for me. It's streamlining my workflow. It's so good, I think. But if you stick with it, you want to doing a free version of Canva, this is the right video for you. So let's get it on. What you have to do, actually, fortunately, it's good job for Canva. You can copy across the tab you open on your browser. So I just simply, obviously, press Ctrl A on my basic design, and then click copy. And then, for instance, on here I have a square canvas, which is for Instagram. I just paste it on this file. After that, you just adjust your file and then make sure, I think some not really important feature, you can crop it like this. So still you want to highlight this career planner or whatever it is, make sure on the center or just put on the right. And the thing is, the minor or not so important feature, not so important element, you can resize it and hide it outside your square canvas. So this is the first step, and then I think it is already good. And then go back to the previous. The thing is, the background will not follow. It didn't follow when I copying the design. Press Ctrl A, and then here again you press Ctrl A on the keyboard, and then just move for a while, just to click your background. Just copy, follow the previous steps, and then paste on the new design. And then if you're seeing it's not really good, you can adjust the background like this, still on the center. And then this is the career planner from the presentation into the Instagram post. And then from the previous or the base design, you just press Ctrl Z, since you don't want to move the designs or the design to the right like I did before. And then that's it. Here the result, how to resize your Canva design without any pro subscribing. Okay, that is guys. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.